The Art of Rhetoric, Unpacking Rhetorical Questions. Hello, language explorers. Today, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of rhetorical questions. These types of questions are essential in the English language and play a vital role in everyday conversations, speeches, and writings. By the end of this video, you'll understand what a rhetorical question is, its function, and how to use it effectively. Let's start at the beginning. What is a rhetorical question? A rhetorical question is a question that's asked without expecting an answer. Strange, right? But that's what makes them so interesting. They are usually used to make a point, to emphasize something, or to persuade or challenge the listener. For instance, imagine someone arriving late at a meeting and asking, "Am I late?" Even though it's formed as a question, the speaker knows they're late, and they don't expect an answer. This is a classic example of a rhetorical question. Now that we know what a rhetorical question is, let's delve deeper into their purpose. Rhetorical questions are powerful language tools. They are used to create dramatic effect, engage the audience, or provoke thought. They can also emphasize a point or persuade others. Remember, the primary purpose of a rhetorical question is not to seek an answer but to assert or deny a point indirectly. For example, consider the question, "Who could possibly believe that?" It's not really seeking an answer. Instead, it's expressing disbelief or skepticism about something. Rhetorical questions can be found everywhere, from casual conversations to literature and speeches. But how can you use them in your own language? When using rhetorical questions, the key is to understand your audience and the effect you want to achieve. If you want to create drama or emphasize a point, a well-placed rhetorical question can be very effective. For instance, if you're arguing about the importance of environmental conservation, you might say, "Isn't the preservation of our planet more important than short-term profits?" This question isn't seeking an answer, but it emphasizes your point strongly. And there we have it. Rhetorical questions are more than just questions. They're powerful tools that can engage, challenge, persuade, and much more. I hope this video has shed some light on this intriguing aspect of the English language. Remember, language is an art, and like any artist, the more tools you master, the more expressive you can be. So, keep exploring, keep asking questions, and, as always, happy learning.